Morning students, welcome to my channel. Differentiation formulas integration. So again repeat that. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Integration of x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of x1. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Differentiation of kx. This is k constant. Right now also k into x differentiation 1. Here also integration of k dx, k right in also integration of 1 dx, kx plus c. Differentiation of e power x, integration of e power x dx, e power x plus c. Differentiation of a power x into log a, integration of a power x dx, a power x by log a plus c. Differentiation of log x 1 by x, integration of 1 by x dx, log modulus of x plus c. Differentiation of sin x cos x, integration of cos x dx, sin x plus c. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x, integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Differentiation of tan x secant square x, integration of secant square x dx tan x plus c. Differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square x, integration of cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Differentiation of secant x into tan x, integration of secant x into tan x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x, integration of cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant x plus c. Differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, cos inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, tan inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, cot inverse x plus c. Differentiation of secant inverse x 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx, secant inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, integration of minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx, cosecant inverse x plus c. These are our basic formulas. By applying the substitution method, we have proved some other formulas, that is integration of tan x dx, that is log modulus of secant x plus c, integration of cot x dx, log modulus of sin x plus c, integration of secant x dx, log modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c, integration of cosecant x dx, log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus c, by applying the substitution methods. Another one, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. This one means numerator is differentiation of the denominator. Denominator function f of x, numerator is f dash of x. F dash of x is what? Differentiation of this f of x. So this formula, this is also you can apply so many times this formula. What are this formula is integration of f dash of x by f of x. That means numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Then what is the formula? Log modulus of this denominator function. Another one, integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx. X power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Here x power n form only, but here this one is there. Same as it is ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Extract this x coefficient taken. In this way, say integration of sin ax dx. Sin x integration minus cos x. Previous class I proved that. How we get that? Sin of ax, same formula, minus cos ax by x coefficient a plus. Similarly, integration of cos ax dx. Cos integration sin ax, x coefficient a, that one we can write. Same integration of e power ax dx. E power ax by x coefficient a plus. Same example also I explained. Suppose integration of e power 5x dx. E power 5x, x coefficient is what? 5. Suppose integration of tan 6x dx. Tan integration log modulus of secant x 6x. Tan integration is log modulus of secant. Here x coefficient is 6, that's 6 secant denominator plus a constant. This type of problems already previous class finished. Another sum by applying the trigonometric identities. If we can, up to now we know the integration of sin x dx, cos x dx. Like that is there, we can know that. But suppose if we can sin square x, cos square x, like that if we can give, then how to find out? Previous class I explained how to find out this one by applying the cos to theta. Cos to theta formulas you can apply here. What are the cos to theta? Cos to theta formula in terms of cos, 2 cos square theta minus. We require cos square theta. That's why this minus 1 shift to this side plus 1. These two also shift. Then the change of 1 is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, that is equal to cos square theta. Similarly, sin square you require. Suppose say cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here we require sin square. This is negative term, shift to this side plus. This one term, shift to that side minus. Then 1, this value shift to this side 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 equal to sin square theta. These formulas you know that in first piece, same as it is. That means if we can given problem is sin square x or cos square x is there, we can apply cos square x means this formula. After that same formulas. Same like that integration of cos cube. Cos cube x is there or sin cube x. Then apply the cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. What is that cos 3 theta formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Here we require cos cube. That's why this value you can shift to this side. This one plus. Therefore cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. This 4 also shift by 4 equal to cos theta. That means given problem is integration of cos cube x. Then you can apply this formula. Similarly sin cube. Sin 3 theta formula. What is that sin 3 theta formula? Is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. We require this value. This term is to this side and this term is to this side. Interchange. Then sin cube theta is 4 sin cube theta equal 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. These 4 also shift by 4. Sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Cos cube theta is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. These two. If we can sin square or cos square is there, we can apply these two formulas. Sin square theta is there, then 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta is there, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin cube theta is there, then 3 sin theta minus sin 3. That means this is cube or square is there, we can convert into multiple angle. Observe that. 3 into theta. Here 2 into theta. Multiple of. Square is there, that one convert into multiple. Suppose if we can given problem is sin square x, in the sense integration of sin square x means what? Sin x into sin x. Both are x and that's why directly multiply sin square. Suppose different angles is there, sin x into sin 2x. Or else integration of sin 3x into cos 4x, like that. Both are same ratios or different ratios. Cos 5x into cos 2x, same ratio. Like that is there. Then how to find this integration? By using the transformation formulas. By applying the transformation formulas, you can find out this type of integrations. What are the transformation formulas? The formulas also already you know that in first piece. What are the transformation formulas? See, sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b. What is the formula for sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. If we can add in these two, addition of this. Sin of a plus b plus 1. Addition. Addition means no change the size. These two are cancelled. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Then what will we get? Sin a cos b plus sin a cos b. Then 2 times. 2 sin a cos b. Suppose these two are subtract. Subtract means this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. Then these two are not cancelled. These two are cancelled. Subtract. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Then these two are cancelled. This one cos a sin b plus cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is 2 cos a sin b. That means your product is there, one sin, one cos. Then this one is converted into summation of. Product is transformed to the addition. Sum of the two terms. Next, cos. Cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. First these two terms of the addition. Addition plus. Then these two are cancelled. What are that? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. What is the answer is cos a cos b plus cos a cos b. 2 times of cos a cos b. Suppose these two are subtract. Subtraction is automatically change the sign. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Then these two are cancelled. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Then minus 2 times of this minus, minus 2 times of sin a sin b. Or else here minus will be take common, then this can be, this is minus will be take common, minus of cos of a minus b. This is a negative term, cos of a plus b. Minus 2 sin a sin. Minus plus. That means cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. These are 4 formulas. will write here 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A cos B, that is equal to 2 sin A cos B. You can apply sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. That means given problem is multiple of sin in the cos term is there. Convert into summation of addition of 2 cos A sin B. Then 2 cos A sin B is there. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Next here. 2 cos A cos B. Then cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B, this one, some different. First cos of A minus B, after that minus cos of A plus B. That means if we can problem is sin into cos form is there. This product converted to summation of this sin of A plus B plus sin of A. Problem is cos into sin. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A. That means a different trigonometric ratio. Sin cos or cos sin is there. These formulas. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A plus B. Suppose both ratios are same, but here angles are different. Then cos formula. Cos is there. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Sin is there. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Now I will say one problem example. Integration of sin 2x into cos 3x dx. This is the integration. I have to find out this. When you can apply this formula, so we can 2 into sin A cos B, 2 into cos A sin B is there, this one. But here 2 is not there. First I will multiply and divide by 1 by 2 integration of 2 into sin 2x cos 2x dx. Now this is sin cos. Sin cos is there. You can apply this sin A cos B. This is A. This is A. This is B. 2 sin A cos B. This is product. Product is the direct formula. We don't have to. That's why this one convert into sum of integration of f plus g of dx. We know that. Integration of f dx plus r minus integration of g dx. But here product is there. Integration of f into g we don't know. That's why we convert into a summation by applying the transformation. Trigonometric transformation formula. 1 by 2 into integration of, this is 2 sin A cos B, the formula sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus 2x plus 3x plus sin of A minus B. A means 2x, B means 3x. dx total. 1 by 2 into integration of 2 plus 3, 5x plus 2 minus 3, that is minus 1x. Totally dx. Now split out 1 by 2 into integration of sin 5x dx. This is sin of minus theta. We know the formula. in sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Applying this one. Minus sin theta means x. Okay, split out that. dx. 1 by 2 into integration of sin x. We know the formula. Integration of sin ax dx, that is minus cos ax by x coefficient a plus c. Previous class I explained the proof also. Now minus sin 5x, x coefficient 5. Minus, this is also minus cos x. Here x coefficient 1. That's why no problem if you can write or not. Minus, now multiply. 1 by 2 into 2 into 5, 10. That is minus sin 5x by 10. Minus into minus plus cos x by 2 into 1, 2 plus. This is the integration of sin 2x cos 3x dx. Once again repeat that. This is here when you can apply this formulas is if we get given problem is product of the two trigonometric ratios, different angles, different ratios, sin cos or cos sin is there. These trigonometric formulas you can apply. If we can give one is sin into cos, then you can apply sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Given problem cos into sin, then you can apply sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. From these, if you can sin into cos, any formula can apply, no problem with that. Next, cos, same and ratios, but different angles. Then you can cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Sin, different angle. Then cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. This is the dangerous form. Because all also starting a plus b, but this one starts with a minus b. Here given problem sin 2x into cos 3x. Product of two different ratios. We know the formulas sin cos. Then we can apply any one of these two. But here multiple 2 is there. That's why I first multiply and divide by 2. Then 1 by 2 into 2 is multiplied. Then it is in the form of 2 sin a cos b form. Then sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b form. I can apply. Sin of a plus b 2x plus 3. Simple. Adding that. Sin of a minus b. Subtract. 2x minus 3x. 2x plus 3x 5x. 2 minus 3 is minus 1x. Now split out. This is sum of the two terms with it. Now separately you can find integration of sin 5x dx. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Minus integration of sin x dx. Integration of sin ax. Sin integration minus, sin integration is minus cos. Minus cos 5x. X coefficient of 5. Here, sin integration minus cos x. Now multiply minus cos 5x, 2 into 5, 10, minus into minus plus cos x. Exercise 7.3. Integration of sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Same previous method. It is in the form of 2 sin a cos b. Formula sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b can apply this one. Here 2 is there, but here 2 is not there. That's why first I will multiply and divide by with 2. Then it is 1 by 2 into integration of 2 sin 3x cos 4x dx. Exercise 7.3. First one. 1 by 2 into integration of, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. That is in the form of 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B formula, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B, 3x plus 4x plus sin of A minus B, 3x minus 4x. Totally dx. 1 by 2 into integration of 3 plus 4, 7. Sin 3x minus 4x, that is minus 1x. Sorry, minus 1 into x. Totally dx. Split out 1 by 2 into integration of sin 7x dx. This is sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. This is we know in previous class. Minus sin x dx. 1 by 2 into sin integration. Sin ax. Integration of sin ax dx formula. Integration of sin is minus cos ax. X coefficient A plus minus sin integration minus cos 7x, x coefficient is 7 minus, here is also minus cos x, here x coefficient 1, totally plus. Now minus cos 7x, 2 into 7, 14, minus into minus plus, cos x. 2 into 1, 2 plus. This is integration of sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Once again repeat that. We require integration of sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Here 2 required because 2 sin A cos B. That's why 2 multiplied and divided by. Then 1 by 2 into 2 sin A cos B. Formula. 2 sin A cos B. Previously 4 formulas I explained. According first formula that 2 sin A cos B, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A means 3x plus 4x plus sin of A minus B, 3x minus 4x. 1 by 2 into 3 plus 4, sorry. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Sin 7x, split out the separately. Sin 7x dx. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Minus sin theta means sin x dx. Integration of sin minus cos 7x. X coefficient 7 right in denominator. Minus integration of cos sin minus cos x coefficient 1. 2 into 7, 14. Minus cos 7x by 14. Minus into minus plus cos x by 2 into 1, 2 plus. Thank you.